In this Postly review, I'm going to walk you through Postly software itself. I'm going to show you everything you need to know step by step. So what is actually Postly? Postly actually helps you stay ahead of your competition this year by automating your social media marketing. Postly helps you to publish social media contents at scale, write once and publish everywhere. Postly helps you save tens of hours and thousands of dollars in cost every month. So without wasting much time, let me jump into the screen and show you the interface itself. What you're actually looking at is actually the interface from Postly. On the left, you have some navigations. In the center, you can actually see all your posts, and then you can actually see all your important dates as well. Okay. On the navigation, you can actually have platforms, content planners, AI writer, theme, and workspace settings. Okay. For platform itself, you can actually connect your social media account to start posting. So for platform itself, you can actually connect your social media to start posting. You can actually see right now there's actually 9 social media accounts inclusive of Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Reddit, TikTok, YouTube, and also Pinterest and Telegram. So by connecting to a social media account, it's very easy. All you need to do is to click into this, and then you just press connect, and then it will actually connect to your Twitter account. Okay, so for this demo, I already connect to my Facebook and also the Instagram itself. Okay, so moving downwards is actually the content planner. You can also see all your scheduled posts in this month itself. Okay, so moving down is actually the AI writer. AI writer is actually a new feature from Postly itself. Okay, it will actually help you generate product description, social media, digital ads, and sales. So for social media, they have different category, example like hashtag generator, post idea, and in digital ads, you can actually have Google ads, Facebook ads as well. And under sales, you can actually have some pain agitated solutions also. Okay, so later on, I will actually go through this AI writer itself. Alright, so moving downwards to the team itself, you can actually add a team member right over here, input their email address, and select their roles for different type of role: owner role, approver, reviewer, or editor. And they actually have different privilege as well. Okay, so moving downwards is actually the workspace setting. Okay, so under workspace setting, they actually have 4 approval workflows itself. They actually have none, so no approval actually needed at all. So they actually have optional approval are enabled but not required for publishing. So the third one is actually request approval. A member has to be approved the content before publishing. And the third one is actually have 2 members need to approve the content before publishing. Moving back to the home screen itself, you can actually see on the right, explore gigs. Postly will also help you to explore any particular gigs, and then they actually post it over here. And moving downwards is actually the important national holidays. So in any case, if you have any custom date, proceed to add a custom date over here, add in the name, event location, choose the event dates and time, and then you can actually add it over at your end. Okay, so in any case, if you want to add another location, click into these 3 buttons. You can actually show popular dates from Singapore, United States, or you can actually add more location. Okay, so you can actually do this at your own. Okay, so once you're done, just press add. Okay, so right now for this demo, I'm going to do an AI writer first. Okay, so let me just click into the AI writer. So I will go into social media. We just generate an AI writer for post idea. Okay, so for AI writer, it's very simple. You can actually post over here in what area would you like to generate a post idea. So you can actually choose the tone itself. There's actually tons of tone you can actually choose from. So you can also choose from the number of copies to generate. But just take note itself, this is actually under credit systems. Okay, so in any case, if you do not have enough credit, go ahead and purchase 10,000 credit for $10 itself. Alright, so you can actually pay via Stripes itself. So earlier on, I already do a post about how to lose weight. I actually generate 2 posts. So from at the bottom of the post, you can actually see, you can actually post it immediately, or you can actually copy, or you can actually save it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this post, and you can actually see the quality of the AI writer is actually very good. Moving back, I will go back to the home screen. Just get started to schedule your first post. Alright, so just click into this. Right now, I'm going to paste the post which I did earlier, which I copied earlier on. So from here, you can actually add your video, add photo, or create a poll. So right now, I'm going to add a video. You can actually add a video from your computer or URL. I already prepared a video which I have earlier on. I'll just copy the link and then click into this. and then I'll just add, and then I'll just continue. Okay, so this is actually how you add in a video. Okay, if let's say you want to add in a photo, the same, you can actually add in a URL or from your computer itself. Okay, or you can actually create a poll here. So another feature over here, you can actually upload your bulk content. So your bulk content, you can actually add in via CSV format. You can actually, once you create your CSV format, okay, you can actually upload over here as well. Okay, so from here you can actually repeat the post itself. Right now you need to upgrade to your plan, so you can actually have recurring posts itself. Okay, you can actually choose the date and time for your recurring post itself. Over here you can actually select the platform to post itself. Over here you can actually select which where your post wants to go to. Either you can actually post to your Facebook account or your Instagram account. Right after that, you just save changes. Alright, so your post will be scheduled, or you can actually post now at your end. This is actually how simple Postly is. It's actually very beginner friendly and actually very easy to use, and the interface is very clean. Okay, so right now what I'm going to show you next is actually the price for Postly itself. Okay, this is actually an appsumo module itself. So for Postly in appsumo module, it's actually costs you one-time purchase of $69, and it's actually a lifetime plan. Okay, so you can for $69 you can actually have 5 workspace, 30 social media account, unlimited team member or social platform, unlimited schedule post per month, or feature and update to Postly. You can actually have code stacking. Okay, you can actually buy one code, or you can actually buy multiple codes right now. So this is actually a one-time price of $69 and a lifetime deal itself. Okay, if you want to buy Postly, go ahead and use my link in the description box. It's actually an affiliate link, but it will not affect the price of $69 at all. Okay, so remember to use the link in my description box itself. Okay, so it comes to my end of my review for Postly, and I actually hope you learned something from me and enjoy the video itself. So in any case, if you want to watch more review of software, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. And to the next review, I will see you. Meanwhile, take care. Goodbye.